Tornado emergency for Imboden, Black Rock and Walnut Ridge. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Randolph County in eastern Arkansas, northeastern Jackson County in eastern Arkansas, Lawrence County in eastern Arkansas, east central Sharp County in north central Arkansas, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:43 p.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Ravenden, or 14 miles east of Cherokee Village, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Imboden, Black Rock and Walnut Ridge. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Pocahontas, Walnut Ridge, Hoxie, Black Rock, Lake Charles State Park, Imboden, Ravenden, College City, Portia, Lynn, Okean, Alicia, Ravenden Springs, Minturn, Honeyville, Sedgwick, Smithville, Williford, Powhatan, Stranger's Home. This includes us Highway 67 between mile markers 109 and 121. Tornado emergency for Hardy,